Hey guys, a big shout out to all my serious Neet warriors from Raishur district, especially our awesome Sindanur Taluk squad. Listen to me very carefully. You don't need fancy, high-tech coaching centers in big cities to crack Neet. Right here, from our local ground, we are going to smash the biology paper. Look, everyone gets confused with the shifting graphs and chemical equations of respiratory gases. They mug it up and they get negative marks. But today, we're going to break down gas transportation and brain regulation into a super simple, logical flow. By the end of this video, this high-yield topic will be permanently locked into your brain. First, let's look at the ultimate game of chemical musical chairs happening inside us. In our alveoli, the environment is perfectly tailored for a strong partnership. We have high oxygen level and low level of P carbon dioxide, low H, plus ions concentration and lower temperature. This specific combination forces oxygen to tightly bind with hemoglobin, creating oxyhemoglobin. But what happens when this blood reaches our hard-working tissues? The scene completely flips. The tissues are burning energy, meaning oxygen is low, while carbon dioxide and H plus ions and temperature shoot right up. Because oxygen is low and carbon dioxide is high here, carbon dioxide forcefully binds to hemoglobin to form carbaminohemoglobin. This frees up the oxygen, allowing our tissues to immediately use it for breaking down glucose and generating cellular energy. When this blood travels back up to the alveoli, the low carbon dioxide and low H plus conditions there cause the carbaminohemoglobin to instantly break apart, freeing the carbon dioxide so we can exhale it completely out of our respiratory system. Now, memorize this absolute goldmine of a fact for your exam. 70% of carbon dioxide is transported as bicarbonate ions. How? Inside our red blood cells, there is a massive concentration of an enzyme called carbonic anhydrase. It is also present in plasma, but only in tiny trace amounts. This enzyme acts like a high-speed factory, converting carbon dioxide and water into bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. That is why whenever your internal carbon dioxide levels climb, your H plus ion concentration rises right along with it. And don't forget this specific numerical ratio. Exactly 5 milliliters of oxygen is delivered to your tissues by every 100 milliliters of oxygenated blood. Finally, let's see how our brain keeps this entire system in check. In our hindbrain, we have two absolute command centers, the medulla and the pons. The medulla houses the respiratory rhythm center, which sets your baseline breathing pace. Right above it in the pons is the pneumotaxic center. This center acts like a circuit breaker. It cuts short the duration of your inhalation, which automatically speeds up your total respiratory rate. In fact, the pons can directly alter and control the signals leaving the medulla. To back them up, our body uses 3 precise chemical security guards or chemosensitive areas. One in the aortic arch, one in the carotid artery, and one sitting right inside the medulla. These areas constantly scan your blood and cerebrospinal fluid. The moment they detect even a slight increase in carbon dioxide or H plus ions, they immediately alert the respiratory centers to adjust your breathing and flush those harmful excesses out before they disrupt your body. That is it. No complications, just pure high-yield conceptual clarity. This is exactly how you master NCERT topics. If this direct concept-first approach cleared your doubts, hit that subscribe button right now.